Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2020 240 Dauntless. It is a tremendous boat. Let's start with the shape of the hull. It's a really dry hull. The lines on are absolutely, it's a redesign, so the lines are beautiful. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 240 Dauntless. Start at the back of the boat, powered by the brand new Mercury Verado 300, a ton of horsepower for a 24-foot boat. It'll bang right up on plane, give you a real good top end on it. Beautiful motor, real quiet, no vibrations. It's got the power pole in the back for some fishing. Also, speaking of fishing, we've got the live well, very large live well in the back of the boat. So, and you've got seats here. The seat backs come up. They double as rod holders, but very comfortable storage underneath. Got a Yeti cooler, rocket launchers right here as well. And then the Helm, beautiful setup. You got plenty of room to put electronics in here. We can actually move the stereo around, not a big deal. But digital throttle and shift, really nice setup. Now, you got a small little cabin, little cuddy underneath here where the batteries are in here, the pump out head, and a lot of storage underneath. We move to the bow of the boat. You got a seat set up, comfortable for basically one person. You got drink holders, rod holders, and you got a second live well here as well. So you got two different baits you can take on the boat. The seats turn into lounges. Great setup like that. The table comes up. This doubles as a table and a sun pad. And then you've got your anchor tucked away in here. You've got the hard T-top on there. This boat is a perfect boat. You can take it out in the Gulf, no problem at all. Handle the water. Take it it's got a really shallow draft. You can take it in the backwater. So very versatile boat. If you'd like to see it or have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194. And don't forget to sign up for our YouTube channel.